Okay, so in this video, we are going to be fixing the OBD2 error code that you see on screen now. And for today's engagement challenge, do you prefer an automatic or a manual? And can you tell me why? Don't care, just tell me why. So, let's get to it. We are going to be installing this transmission sensor that has the part number of 89413-12041. And the sensor looks like this. Held in with a little bolt. So let's see if we can go figure out where this is going to go. And go pop it in, shall we? On this wonderful car. We're going to take the airbox off. And there's a sensor. Of course, the camera's in the way. We're just going to take the airbox off and we'll point it out there. So Ruby is the woman that doesn't lose her 10s millimeters. And we found this right here. And this sensor's it. But we did have to take the airbox out.
Oh my gosh. There.
Okay. Probably just transmission fluid, but
It's all gunked.
it's all gunked. I'm going to clean it up. And plug that hole back. Stinks. Alright. Old sensor on the bottom. New sensor up top. Let's get it popped in there. And then blow some electrical cleaner on that interface down there. Alright, let's do it. Ruby went inside. They don't have much memory now. So we're gonna put some gum lube on this gasket. This is Gooby's tip of the day. Is lube your stuff. By the way, I checked the readings of the new downstream O2 sensor. Totally in spec now.
I hope so.
Oh yeah, I'd hope so too. But like that was totally the indicator that we could have looked at and said, yep, bad something.
I just wasn't sure if it was the O2 sensor too.
Or the actual cat, yeah.
That's why we just went with both. So when we get back, we should do our transmission oil because it's supposed to be done every 30,000. We should have done it twice now.
Okay. We're gonna turn around and find out if that was our problem the whole time.
I'm keeping that sensor. She's inside chewing on a ball. Let it air for a second.
It's about empty. The filter will sit like that. And this intake sits like that. Ah, there we go. Alright. You'll slip back on there. And
Maybe me and Maple will take them on a test drive tomorrow. Oh, I didn't disconnect the battery.
oh, well. Whoops. That is it though.
Oh, you were doing good.
I'm gonna, I see some corrosion. I'm just going to address the corrosion now. Okay, those threads ain't gonna seize. Okay.
I'm losing this one to get everything.
Alrighty, YouTube. We got the sensor replaced. We think that will resolve P0717. I'm gonna let her, the Miss Gooby, do the test drive tomorrow. So, see you there.